Hello everyone, this math challenge is about sport skills in a class. There are 60 students in a class, and we know that 43 of them know how to play football, 45 of them know how to swim, 50 of them know how to play basketball, and 48 of them know how to play tennis. So the question here is, what is the minimum number of students who can do all four sports? Please pause the video at this point and spend as much time as you need to calculate it, and we come back for the answer. Okay, before looking at the answer, just imagine if the question asks you the maximum number of students who can do all four sports, it should be more straightforward to calculate. Just imagine in this class of 60 students, 10 of them cannot do any of these sports, and 50 of them know how to play basketball. Among these 50 students, 48 of them also know how to play tennis. And among the 48 students, 45 of them also know how to swim. And among the 45 students, 43 of them also know how to play football. So that means these 43 students will know how to play all the four sports. So that means this is the maximum number of students who can do all four sports. However, it is much trickier to calculate the minimum number of the students who can do all four sports. The best strategy here is to calculate backwards. From the question, it is fairly easy to deduce that 17 students don't know how to play football, 15 students don't know how to swim, 10 students don't know how to play basketball, and 12 students don't know how to play tennis. So here, to make the number of students who can do all four sports minimum, we have to make the number of students who cannot do at least one sport maximum. So that means there is no overlap between all these four groups of the students. So that means no student cannot do both football and basketball. Okay, so here to calculate the maximum number of students who cannot do at least one sport, we just simply add these numbers together. 17 plus 15 plus 10 plus 12 is equal to 54. So these 54 students are the maximum number of students who cannot do at least one sport. So in this class of the 60 students, any student who does not belong to this group of 54 students, that means they must be able to do all four sports. So the minimum number of students who can do all four sports is 6. So the final answer for this question is 6. Thank you.